A controversial idea to expand gun access in schools will be back during regular session in January. State Capitol reporter Chris O'Brien now dives into the legislation after speaking with the sponsor and a Republican who voted against it.
After Madison County Republican Representative Chris Todd made a controversial comment about the Covenant shooter in a special session committee.
I don't know what she was capable of with her bare hands, but people can use anything, any kind of an inanimate object as a weapon. If she hadn't had a gun, she probably would have had a car. She had a car. She probably would have driven over those kids when they went to recess. She would have found a way, without a doubt.
The Covenant family's nonprofits were irate.
It's disgusting. It's disgusting. I made an audible gasp in the committee room because it was disgusting to even go there.
But looking forward to regular session, they'll have to face the concept once again.
Whatever vehicle that is to get us to the point where kids can be protected in these schools, that's what I'm going to be supportive of. And if it means running this bill again, I certainly will do that.
The bill allows people with an enhanced carry permit to bring handguns while in any public pre-kindergarten through grade 12 school building or bus, campus, grounds, recreation area, athletic field, or any other property owned, operated, or while in use by any public board of education.
Evil people are going to find a way to do their harm if they intend to. And the best way to counter that is to make sure that we have good people that have the ability to defend against an attack, whatever that attack might be.
Todd will run into conservative obstacles, as even some very right-wing Republicans have concerns about the bill.
Anybody at any time could walk into our schools with a firearm, unchecked, unverified, and really not knowing why they're there, just to patrol the schools.
Culleoka Representative Scott Sapicki was one of 5 Republicans who voted against it.
Under Chairman Todd's bill, if the Covenant shooter would have had an enhanced carry permit, they could have entered the Covenant school and been in that school legally.
You can receive an enhanced carry permit in Tennessee by obtaining an 8-hour handgun safety course certificate. In Nashville, Chris O'Brien.